everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. In today's video, we're going to be making this really cute crochet baby bear beanie. It's super simple to make. It's made with the most basic stitches. Even the most beginner crocheter could do this. And I think this project took me probably about 15 minutes to make. So it's really quick, nice and simple project to have on hand for gifts. So go ahead, get settled in, and we'll get started on this project. So like I said, we're gonna be making this really cute baby bear crochet beanie. For this project, I used the exact same yarn that I used last week when I made the ruffle border crochet baby blanket. So we're going to be using the Baby Bee, the soft and sleek yarn from Hobby Lobby. This is a lightweight number 3 yarn. It is 164 yards per skein, and it's the color Gimme Sugar. But I'm just using it. It's not going to take very much to create this beanie, so I'm just going to use the scrap yarn that I have left over. And we're also going to need, again, a 5mm crochet hook here. And we're going to need a yarn needle for weaving in our yarn tails, and then a pair of craft scissors for clipping those yarn ends. So go ahead, grab all of your supplies, and I'll meet you back here in just a few minutes. I have my yarn here, and we're going to create our magic circle. And if you don't know how to do a magic circle, I will leave a link up in the right-hand corner for you on how to do that. So we're going to place 6 half double crochet in this magic circle here. And we're just going to pull this tail tight, and we're going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet that we put in that magic circle. We're going to chain 1. All right, so for round 2, we're going to place 2 half double crochet in this chain 1 space here. Oops. And then we're going to place 2 half double crochet in every single stitch all the way around. All right, for round 3, we're going to place, again, 2 half double crochet in that chain 1 space right here. Maybe. Now we're going to place a half double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 half double crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around of 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. When we get all the way back around, we are going to slip stitch to the top of this first half double crochet right here, and we're going to chain 1. So we're on to round 4. So we're going to place 2 half double crochet in the chain 1 space. And then we're placing 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then we're going to place 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then that's going to be our repeat pattern of 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch, and then 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. We're going to repeat that all the way around till we get back to the very beginning of round 4. At the end of round 4, you're going to slip stitch to the top of this first half double crochet, and then we're going to chain 1. Now for round 5, we're going to place 2 half double crochet in the chain 1 space, and we're going to half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. There's 3. Now we're going to place 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're going to repeat this all the way around, and then when we come back to the very beginning of round 5, we're going to slip stitch to the top of that first half double crochet, and then we're going to chain 1. All right, so we're done with round 5. I'm going to start rounds 6 through 11. So all we're going to do for these rounds is we're going to place 1 half double crochet in this chain 1 space, and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And we're gonna do that until we have finished round 11. So go ahead and place 1 half double crochet in every single stitch all the way around, and I will meet you back when you are done with round 11. All right, so we're done with round 11 and I've chained 1. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna crochet in the back loop of every single stitch all the way around, and we're just gonna place a single crochet. So our back loops here, we've got, if you look at your stitches, we've got 2 stitches here, and it kind of creates this little V stitch. This is your front loop right here. This one is your back loop. That's the loop we're going to crochet in. So we're going to grab our yarn. We're going to insert our hook into that back loop. And we're just going to single crochet. And we're going to single crochet in every single stitch all the way around, going into those back loops. And this is for round 12. So go ahead and repeat that, single crocheting in the back loop only of every single stitch all the way around. When you get back to the beginning here of round 12, you're going to slip stitch to the first single crochet here, and you're going to fasten off your yarn and go ahead and weave in your yarn tail. All right, so I'm done with round 12, and you could actually stop here and it still makes a really, really cute crochet baby beanie, perfect size for any newborn. Or you can continue on and make the little bear ears like what we're going to. So we're gonna get started on the little ears for this crochet baby bear beanie. So we're gonna start with a magic circle here. And inside this magic circle, we're gonna place 10 double crochet. And this one here is 10. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and pull this tail tight. We're not gonna come over and slip stitch to this. We're just gonna leave this as it is right here. I'm gonna chain 1, and then I'm just going to fasten off my yarn. I'm gonna leave a yarn tail long enough to be able to attach this to the top of that beanie. And then we're gonna come over and we're gonna make 1 more ear. So let's do this again. So we're gonna start with our magic circle here. And then let's place 10 double crochet inside this magic circle. And here is 10. And we're going to repeat the same thing. So we're just going to pull that tight, and then we're just going to fasten off our yarn here, leaving a good yarn tail so we can attach that to our beanie here. So I've threaded my yarn onto my yarn needle, and I also went in with that yarn tail that was back here from that first magic circle when we created it, and I just wove that in here into the back. So what I'm going to do for this is I like to kind of create a little bend in the ear here for these. So I'm going to come over to this stitch right straight across, and I'm just going to pull that tight to kind of create that little bend. Now we're going to grab this hat, and what I'm going to do here is kind of figure out exactly where I want the placement for these bear ears to be on this beanie. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, so you can see the little center ring right here, and you can see the next row and then the next row. I think I'm going to attach it right here on this 3rd row. And then hang on to that. And then all I'm going to do is just kind of come around through like this, and I'm just going to attach this ear right here to this little crochet beanie. There we are. Now I'm going to take my needle through the back, and then I'm going to just weave in my yarn tail right here. So just kind of pick somewhere to weave it through. I like to go back and forth at least 3 times over this, so that way it's nice and secure and it's not going to come undone. And then I just take and I clip my yarn tail right there. Then I'll go in and I'm going to reattach the second ear here in the same spot, and then I'm going to weave in this yarn tail that's on the inside of this hat right here. So go ahead and complete that, and I'll meet you back here when you are done with this crochet baby bear beanie. Attached my little baby bear ears here, and you can see how adorable this little hat is. It would also be really cute if you made teeny tiny little pom-poms and attached them right there. That would be a really cute addition to this hat as well. Anyway, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoy making this crochet baby bear beanie as much as I did. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell as I post here weekly. And I want to thank all of you guys for all of your support and comments on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.